Hey guys, I would like to show you SOS Nail Concealer Manicure at home. Concealer is one of my favorite gel manicure systems. I have in here GlamLac Nail Concealer Starter Kit. On the back you can see step by step and on the side what products are included. GlamLac Nail Concealer Starter Kit contains primer, nail concealer rubber base, no wipe top coat, remover, wood stick, wood file, mini buffer, silicone nail caps, foam pads. And just note, kit does not include the LED lamp. I will show you concealer on my finger. Let's buff the nail plate with buffer. Then let's apply primer. I have in here little mouse LED lamp. After primer, apply thin layer of nail concealer and remember to seal the nail edge and let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. Concealer don't need base coat. Base coat is already in the concealer. Now it's time to apply second layer and again remember to seal the nail edge. Let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. Second concealer layer is done, it's time to apply the no wipe top coat. Let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. Again, remember to seal the nail edge. And that's it, we are done. That's how easy it is. I have for you one more extra tip. Let's fix the regrowth. And again, this is the SOS Nail Concealer Manicure at home. If you have chance to visit salon, then definitely visit professionals. First, file the thicker top part off. Make sure the nail tip end is smooth and thin. You don't need to file all the concealer off. This way you will save the nail plate. After filing, buff the nail plate and gently push back cuticle with wood stick. Apply primer. After primer, apply thin layer of nail concealer and remember to seal the nail edge and let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. As I mentioned earlier, concealer don't need base coat. Base coat is already inside the concealer. Now it's time to apply second layer and again remember to seal the nail edge, let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. When second concealer layer is done, it's time to apply no wipe top coat, let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. And we are done again. I like to use GlamLac cuticle oil and hand cream to boost my hands. Thank you for watching. This was SOS Nail Concealer Manicure at Home.